Howdy, we're at the Modera Waugh in Houston, Texas. It's the Modera Waugh in Houston, Texas. This is their very pretty two-bedroom. I like this two-bedroom a lot. Look at the beautiful windows that are on two walls. It's just gorgeous. In this case, it's overlooking a pool. It's very, very nice. And you've got just a gorgeous, huge space here to really have a lot of fun. You do have balconies. You can step out on the balcony and enjoy the fresh air anytime. But then you've got this huge space here to work with. You can have a really big event, maybe like 20 to 30 people in here, or you could just have a small gathering where you can have a couple of sectionals in here and couches, chairs. There's just a big, huge space, and everybody's going to congregate also around this island. So this island is super, super cool. The bedrooms are really nicely separated in this two-bedroom too. This is super cool. This is one of the bedrooms. This is the master. The master is really nice. You can see it. It's you can definitely put I'd say easily a king in here, no problem. You've got some nice windows there, and then let's see what the bathroom looks like. Beautiful walk-in. It's just gorgeous. And then you've got a dual sink with beautiful mirrors that are over there. That's really, really nice. Hey, I love this. I think it's really cool, and I love the feel of it. I love everything about it. This is a really pretty apartment. Now, this is a two-bedroom, so we'll take a look at that second bedroom that's over here. This is very, very nice. Very cool. Second bedroom that's here. It's it's not too different from the master. You could definitely put a king in there, no problem, king bed. It's got these really pleasing kind of cream walls that are here. And then let's explore this. Okay, this is a closet that's here. And then this leads actually into the bathroom. Now this bathroom is really cute. It looks great, but it also serves as the guest bathroom, so people can go in there without disturbing that other bedroom. So this is what it looks like. Just to circle back here, it's a really pretty two-bedroom. Man, this would be perfect for roommates to really enjoy the Heights area of Houston. It's a fantastic way to start your life in Houston. Hey, if you're ready to take that next step and you're ready to go ahead and get some more information, maybe even set up a tour, send me a text. My number's below. I'd love to hear from you. What I'll do for you is I'll save you time. I'll make things easy. I'll get you the information you need. And before you know it, you're going to be in your perfect Houston apartment. The best way to do that is to copy down that number below, put it into your phone, put it as Best Houston Apartments Grant, Best Houston Apartments Grant, and then send me a text and we'll go from there. Hey, I can't wait to hear from you, and we'll talk to you soon.